Some places pull you in long before you arrive. You don't always know why, until you're standing in it. We came for the old coal mine, but the land had other plans. The bush thickened, paths closed, and the story shifted. Still, something lingered. In places built on sweat, risk, and quiet loss, you can feel the memory in the ground, and sometimes it speaks back.
I'm a little nervous. This is like the definition of being in the sticks.
We're at old abandoned coal mine today.
Oh God, butterfly. Yeah, the historic chimney coal mine. God.
Yeah, the track's a little bit ain't going, but yeah, no, it's all good.
But I've got thongs on.
Yeah, well, you know what they say?
Don't wear thongs in the bush.
You always wear thongs when you're bush trekking, yeah.
I didn't realise we'd have to get into it on foot, and I didn't realise how thick this shrub was going to be.
Go that way.
Okay. Hope there's no aggressive pigs here. Okay, that's some fencing.
Here we are, there's
the chimney.
There's the old chimney. I wonder what they were doing there.
Yeah. So therefore, where is the mine?
Well,
Might be through there.
I don't know.
That
I'd say that, I don't know. I have absolutely no idea.
Oh, I didn't realise there was a hole in that fence.
There's a hole in the fence.
Okay, we're going through the hole.
Well, it's a chimney.
That's the chimney. You want to go find the mines?
Yeah, I don't know where we go, but well, Happy New Year's to everyone.
Happy New Year!
We're on the 1st of the 1st, 26.
Geez, your voice just carried through.
Yeah, that goes, doesn't it?
Jesus.
That go. So,
someone was living.
oh yeah, great spot to live at the old coal mine.
Fuck that.
Hey, I got, this might be the other road in, I don't know where the hell.
But look at this here, babe. It looks like an actual walkway.
Well, yeah, people have been wandering off through here looking for spots, see, because there's concrete thing there.
Okay.
Yeah, there's also another concrete one there.
Yep.
Yeah, there's obviously through, well, yeah, it's obviously through, you know, because there's an old tank in there.
Yeah, it's in there.
It's
somewhere,
obviously
but it's
everywhere
fully
here, but it's all
surrounded.
overgrown. That it's all everywhere around here, but it's just so overgrown that
Literally.
you're not going to know where anything is unless, yeah.
Yeah, we went to get the drone up so that we could have a good look, but I recently switched phones and to manually control the drone you really need to have it plugged into the remote controller, and I couldn't plug it in, bugger. Just sort that out.
Yeah, we're working out the new equipment this year.
2026.
New equipment.
But we're going to go...
Just going to head off down the road a bit.
Somewhere. Yeah.
I just want to mention here, it's absolutely riddled with mozzies.
Oh, we got fully attacked.
Mosquitoes, getting absolutely chewing on. I can't just stand there.
No.
Even thinking,
No.
we're getting fucking chewed on.
I couldn't think either.
Fucking chewed on by the Aussie mozzie. Hey, they'll pick you up and carry you away out here.
It's perfect weather for them. It's cloudy, it's muggy. Yeah, so we're going to go find a different spot.
Yeah, nice little spot down the road we got where we can talk a little easier, because this is just getting a bit hectic.
Yeah.
It's a little bit hectic. With the mozzies, man, Jesus Christ.
Sake.
Fucking Australian bush, mate.
Yeah.
Hey,
Back through the shrub.
back through the bush track again. Yeah, the Australian bush, man, it's fucking not an easy place to be sometimes, eh?
No.
Seriously.
But that was a bit I was creeped out there. That was
It's a
creepy.
bit freaky.
It was freaky.
It was freaky.
There was a death. There was a fatality back in 1940. A man named Charles was testing some blast thing and blew his hand off,
Whee.
and also his face. So
Whee.
he passed away down in the mine there, and it has a very dense feeling, I have to say. Not only that, the woods here are dense AF.
Yeah.
You can't even really walk properly in there.
Yeah.
But we do want to do some knocks and call out to the local hairy man, because they are here. There have been sightings around this area, so let's pull up and do that.
Yeah.
Jesus, I don't know what's through here. Oh yeah, that doesn't look good to me.
No, that doesn't look good to us at all.
Yeah, no. We don't want to get stuck in there.
No.
I had connected with the hairy man of these lands a couple of days ago, and his name came through as Kawa. A quiet strength, a guardian presence, and he wasn't alone. His life partner, woven into the fabric of this forest, sent healing through my body. To the tenderness in my mouth from a procedure just the day before. It was subtle but real. A pulse of care, an act of recognition. Kawa is not just a watcher of these lands, he is walking the path toward eldership. And somehow, our meeting was part of his rite. A crossing of timelines, where calling and answering become one.
Righto, yeah, I just wanted to show you like the landscape here with this damned area. Like there's isolated pockets, like all this stuff over here is isolated, and you can't get to it. All right, you can't get to it.
You need a boat, and you're not allowed to swim.
No, there's no swimming, but I'm just saying, like, we're actually quite remote inland here. Like this isn't, it looks beautiful, but we're actually off the beaten track a lot here, and
Fully off the beaten track to get it. Didn't even know it existed. Ow. My shinny shin shin.
Righto, well here we are at the lake area. Absolutely beautiful spot here.
How quiet is it?
Yeah, it's quiet. So you wanted to talk about this story
Yeah, so
from this area, like it's a little more over near Howard where we were, but fucking Mozzies.
the Mozzies were shocking. We couldn't stay there. So, but the coal mine we were at was really close to an encounter that these young women had. It was a family. They were horse riders, and they'd found some very big footprints on their property. So they rode out, mother and daughter, to go and check out the prints. And they did. They found them, and the daughter had to go and get some water for something, I can't remember. So she rode off to get some water, and she turned around. She was trying to get back on her horse, and she couldn't get up because the horse kept turning around. So she was turning around with the horse, and because of that, she saw, I think it was a baby hairy man. She said it was little. It didn't say anything. It was just watching her. So she rode back quickly to tell her mum that she saw one. And then she rode back to get another look, but this time there was a big one.
Ooh.
8-9 foot tall,
Ooh.
4 foot wide.
Ooh.
She said it was quiet at first. It didn't say anything, make any sounds. And she got spooked, so she started riding back again to her mum, and this thing, she said it was like crashing and banging behind her, chasing after her. And she was just in tears by the time she got back to her mum, but it didn't continue chasing her, which I hear this again and again, that they chase people, but nothing actually eventuates from it, except that dude I spoke about in our last video who actually got punched.
Oi.
But
Oi.
I think he was close to the baby, and again, he didn't get, he wasn't harmed in any other way. It was like it was a doof, get out of our zone.
Imagine getting fucking smacked by an 8 foot fucking hairy man. Like, fuck, mate.
Built like a brick shit house,
it'd
literally.
launch you. It'd
Yeah.
launch you.
And
Like,
he was actually launched. He said he flew in the air.
oh, you would.
Yeah.
Your feet would come off the ground for sure.
They did.
For sure.
They did. So these ladies, they got in contact with the Australian Yowie research team, and I think they asked them to go and get casts of the footprints, and yeah, that's what they did, I believe.
Did they get casts of it?
I believe they did. I'll have to recheck. recheck the
Oh,
story.
wouldn't that be fucking nice if they got a cast of
Yep.
the print? That'd be fucking real groovy. Like,
See, we've seen plenty of huge footprints on our travels, too big to be human, honestly. But I am happy not to get casts because of my woo-woo spiritual nature. I feel like they don't consent to it, the hairy man. They don't like it. They feel like, you know, part of their essence is getting trapped when people do that and all the things. It's a whole vibe. But yeah, when we do find them, we show you guys, and I'm happy to do that.
yeah, I haven't seen any for a while.
When was the last time? Well, in deep water. That was last month. They were pretty, what's the word?
Deep water.
Defined.
Deep.
You know when we went on our 3-day trip?
Yeah. There were definitely prints of some form at deep water, for sure. They were definitely prints of something. They were indents of something, like.
Well, they were too big to be human, and we don't have bears. Like, we've got, kangaroos and emus. We don't have anything with big feet.
Yeah, well, Ian Thorpe. Yeah,
Does he have big feet?
Oh, well, yeah, apparently he got flippers.
Right.
Flippers, that's why he could swim so fast. He had big feet, but anyway, yeah.
But we literally chose a road that was off the beaten track.
And Ian Thorpe wouldn't have been there.
No.
You know what I mean? Like, no Thorpe would have been cruising through that bush where we were. Like, that's
why we went there.
Not a chance on the earth that there'd be Thorpe running around the bush there. No.
No one. We were already in a remote location, and then we went further in.
Yeah. But like here at the moment, like we're like 10 k's in from the nearest road. You know what I mean? Like we come in through the bush tracks here, and
didn't even know this existed. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, I just winged it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and went. Well, I don't want to sit.
Let's get away from the mozzies.
Get away from the mozzies and go and find a nice quiet spot.
Yeah.
And it's a beautiful little spot here. Like, I wonder where this water goes. Must be drinking water, maybe. Oh, I don't know.
Well, you're not allowed to swim in it. I'm wondering.
Is it? They must use it. Wide Bay water.
Is it?
That's what it says.
Oh, maybe it is.
Maybe it goes to Harvey Bay. I don't know, but it's an absolutely tranquil spot here. Now, if you're going to see something around, like these are the places, I mean it, like
water.
To see things that are unusual to see, like these are the joints you're going to see them at, like.
Well, it'll be interesting at night time coming here.
Ooh. Yeah, it'll be nice actually, but.
When Jappy's older, we can do more things like that.
Yeah. We can't quite.
At the moment,
do this stuff
every few months. He has a carer come stay with him, and then we get to go away and make our documentaries.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Get up there.
Oh, just opening this thing.
Right.
Right, here we are. I was just driving along and I just saw this big gum tree, Australian gum tree, like big blue gum, I think.
It's huge.
Yeah.
It's no more.
No, it's no more. I don't know if it's been hit by lightning.
It doesn't look. Doesn't look burnt though, does it?
Termites, I reckon.
Yeah.
More like termites have eaten out this. There's
no termites still here, is there?
No. They've
gone to greener pastures.
They've done their work here. They brought down this big hundreds of years old. This would have been. Yeah, brought down by the biggest thing, brought down by the tiniest thing.
How funny.
Yeah, isn't it freaky? Old David and Goliath.
Weird.
Old David. But I thought I'd come here and use this tree as a bit of a knocking tree because it's got some hollow wood, some beautiful wood. Fuck,
Yeah.
I'd love to use this wood, but oh, that's a good one.
That's better.
That's better. See how we want a bit of ring in it, eh? Ooh. Ooh, that's better. Ooh, that's better. There, we're getting there.
It doesn't have the same tone to it because it's dead, maybe.
Ooh. Ooh, that's going, that's moving. Oh, yeah, that's the one. That's what I like to hear, that.
Fucking quiet, isn't it?
Oh, it's still. Still. Like a breath of wind. Oh, that one. Every time, doesn't it? Getcha.
I love the sound travel.
Yeah, it's got good
That
travel
went
through
all
there.
the way through.
Yeah.
Some encounters don't just finish, they echo. And not just in words, but in the way the forest watches as you leave. The way the wind moves differently once you've been seen. We came for the mine, but we found a threshold. Kawa walks the path now, and perhaps so do we.